All right, welcome to Ihe Na-eme N'ime Ogbe. Yeah, I know low like this. I want to go see a form from my master. You only are on keys, you're not to give.
Ikwu ihe ọlụ gị mba otu o si adị bụ ị na-ekwu nna ya mgbe na-ekwu.
Yeah, that is Okunegun.
That's it.
All right, welcome to Ihe Na-eme N'ime Ogbe. Yes, I am going to look at it. It's YouTube clock, on worry for so, Now, can I make it me and anyway? Because man, I two eyes no like case you. I want to represent why idea. Well,
And then other joker.
yes. So, Afambu Ugonna VFS, na can
Mụnwa bụ Maya Master aka
Pangore Nama.
Maze Tempulo di Maria.
Di Maria. All right. Today, today's topic, it surrounds if you see something, say something. If you see something, say something. Looks as if not the youth can. But all the youth, but the number one category of people when they see something, they don't like to say something. But at the end of the day, it affects them more.
Everybody. Yes.
Sometimes all that youth can agwa. You go from can see something about them. It's for them and it's against them. Most of them from an cause the problem and they do something and laugh. Like in that age blue if you got iron and all those things. All youths na make with
and youth na fufa.
Yeah, youths na fufa. So I will go in here I got them okay. For you na all their car now. Say something. If you want to California them modify, say something.
Okay.
All right. So in Ahana, if you see something, say something. Be adika wayo, because it is not be adika wayo. You could say something. I'm freedom before speech. You cannot guarantee. I cannot draw guarantee. So the Bible says, how do you think now? This, if you see something, say something. How can we make it something to trust on?
You actually don't need to tell anybody to say something now, because in saying something, people are earning from it. People are making money from it. You see our social media. People want to say something that people are interested in hearing.
Yes.
So most times, let's say, like what happened at Hate Bridge, that there was, should I call it demonstration or protest around Hate Bridge for Obogo guy and something like that. And people were saying something from that point, at that moment it was happening. People were saying something. So why? Because they want that engagement in social media. So I think social media has even facilitated the saying something. So now what we are thinking of is when it's not about the general news, when it's about something that concerns your environment, where you are staying, the people you are seeing around you, some misconduct that you need to talk about. That if you don't, they are going to affect the well-being or maybe government things around you. So you have to say something about that. So I think that if you see something, say something. It's very, very vital. It's very, very important. And everybody should be saying something. Both the young and the old. We should be saying something. Because it's from the something you're saying that the state or the people involved, maybe the government, will have to do something. Like he was used to say, Ofota okalo eze. So, so you have to see that something and tell the appropriate authority, and these people will act on it. It will be as if the government is doing everything, but the people are supporting the everything. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Templo di Maria.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. This, if you see something, say something now. How? Because I am a most times when you see the something after saying it, so how do we now tell people or convince people that seeing something and saying something is the right way, and if you say something, no matter what you've said, nothing is going to happen to you at the end of the day?
Well, like
or maybe the authority will take action.
Yes.
And protect you too.
The whole seeing something and saying something, if it is unqualified, I will not just if you see something, you say something without any qualification, it opens a very big door for Monday Eje violate privacy model. And the law is that where your rights stops, another's begin. Yeah. So even in saying something and saying something, all the pampa na people with their right to privacy. Among that kind of thing. Yeah. So
what kind of privacy? Privacy going in a boom money. What kind of privacy?
No, privacy model or privacy model.
Do you know only one thing feel quite in line with this thing you're saying? You see all these things that they will tell you, oh, the police officers, when you see them on the road or when they want to search you, that you should record them or something like that. Then you come and barging on somebody with putting camera on the person's face or something like that. There is a way you do it, it will be embarrassing.
Yeah.
If they write to my face, I wonder if we are losing it. If you want to snap me, take a picture of me now, and I don't want. Don't I have option again?
Of course, we're right.
Can't I tell you I wouldn't want you to take my face?
Yes.
So now it's just like people are losing that right to their own convenience, to their face. So somebody can come around here because we want to take video or maybe take picture. You stay maybe in a restaurant. You cover everybody, putting everybody's face
without getting their consent.
There is something you are missing. We are in the era where whether you approve your face to be there or not, somehow you will pass through a CCTV camera that is positioned somewhere that will see. So I think for me, this right to face whatever should be scrapped. So that now if you don't have anything evil you are doing, why will you be hiding your face?
No. About evil. Or about privacy.
That privacy should have limits.
Check this out now. Most guys, that's showing on the one time when I seen that some people, if vulcanizers, manufacturers, landlords, you go take granite and get a fata and so on and so forth. You won't know why they are doing that until in order their position. And then you find out now, if you announce you become a bank, you are no longer a human being.
People will be coming to
exactly.
Collect what they did not
to cash in from you. So sometimes people want to protect themselves from
privacy.
You
see why I'm telling you this? Yeah. I've seen people that will go to people's property. Some of them are doing it for joke. Then you see serious people that will say, this house belongs to so-so person.
Yes.
So-so person. Maybe that person does not want people to know his house or his where he's staying or whatever. The person will come and announce it to people. Then see another set of people. That you see all these people that when they catch somebody, that the person did something wrong, they will tell the person, strip the person half naked and tell the person to dance, and they will record the person. Why would you do that without being sure that this person actually did what you are accusing him of? So you record the person, you post it just for your own engagement. What about this person that you have recorded? Sometimes they will be interrogating somebody that you have not confirm whether he was guilty or not. You interrogate the person, post it. Yeah, there are people, you see all these security outfits that once they see somebody, instead of interrogating that person in confidence and confidentially, you start recording and posting it.
Which is a wrong way of engaging.
Very, very bad negative side of the whole thing. Then let me tell you the positive side. You see, when we talk of if you see something, say something. If you see something, say something. The people that are saying something, there are already some guys that are big from saying something. When you talk of people that will never stop saying something, no matter the implication, just like people like Very Dark Man, people like that, they will say something, sometimes it will even result to picking them up, locking them up, stuff like that. But they will test it and say, come back to still say another thing. It won't stop them from saying something.
Yeah.
So there is this shocking reality that's setting, and we have to face it. But on the other hand, there are things that we should know that if we go this direction,
Yes.
it's going to throw so many things out to the dogs.
Yes.
This recording of people
Without their consent.
Yeah, without their consent, it has something.
It has legal implications, though.
Yeah.
We're not that litigious here, but I am one kwaga.
Of course, I was somewhere and somebody was doing video call. Okay, I am so place now. I am coming. I was like, there are people that can utilize that. You don't know if all these kidnapping and stuff that are happening
Exactly.
around.
Yes.
Maybe just to prove to somebody that you have seen that person.
Yes.
He will do that kind of call. So immediately the person did that kind of, and I featured in the video call. I said, don't try this again. Don't try it. Don't ever try it again.
No,
I'm not part of your video.
If you're not deleting it straight away.
Not
then,
video call.
Okay, video call.
Video call.
That's
The person featured me in the video call. I am so place.
It's
just like
because I don't share
telling
exactly.
somebody that place that you are, the person you want to link them or you want them to identify
Is in the
then
location.
you show the person's face
Yes.
in the name of you making video call. If you want to do your private thing, make it private.
Yes.
You don't just bargain on people.
Don't
with your
violate
camera.
other people's privacy. So that means seeing something and saying something without qualification opens a very big door for a lot of things to go wrong. Among that kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's important now qualify here by saying if you see something, say something within the provisions of the law.
Law, yeah.
Among that kind of thing. So
Yeah.
within what the law provides, if you see something, say something. For the self, can we get as far as on a beg if you binoculars. It is if you see something, say something.
Yeah, they will see it and say something. They will not know that it's trespassing. Yeah. Like somebody cannot even bath outside in his compound. Somebody will fly drone over your house and tell you that they have freedom of camera usage.
This is if we all agree that life evolves and a lot of technology comes in and we are using these gadgets. So now, literally, on phone, camera and phones. Now people are starting installing CCTV camera for
cameras,
securities. We have drones for area coverage and all that. So now we are trying to fight that same camera again. So, life, for me, I would say we should normalize it. Like it should be it should near the normal.
We're not fighting camera.
Like you can see yourself anywhere. No, because that's what it looks like. Because if you over the nature without even say the best evidence you can provide is video evidence.
Yes.
So how do you get that? Video evidence. Because it is evidence based or whatever. When you can even
until it happens to someone you know, you realize that something like this is not something you can do just freely anywhere, anytime.
Yes.
Let me give you a scenario. Somebody was breastfeeding, a nursing mother was breastfeeding a baby, which is okay, inside a bus.
Yes.
And another person opened camera. Showing the person, trying to show where the person was. This kind of thing is because it's convenient for you to make video at that time. Did you ask whether it's convenient for that other person that you are putting in your video? So, development comes with some challenges that if not curbed, it can create another problem. So we are accepting it now. It's normal that camera has come to stay. We have record, we have memory, that storage. You can record anything, store it, and keep it over time at a certain point. Even like they say, social media doesn't forget.
Yes.
After a long time, maybe when you want to come out for political position or maybe appointment, you see something that you did for long ago. they will use it against you. Maybe out of context with what the situation was actually when you did that stuff. Have you not heard of, I got the advice from a madman.
Yes.
Yeah, I got the advice from a madman. Yeah. Very much quoted out of context.
Yes.
Somebody was saying that when Opike Uweka was terrible, there was a madman that told him to fix this so place. Yes. That the people that do the terror there come from the barracks.
Yes.
So he listened to a madman. Now, when he said, I got the advice from a madman, people picked it and started putting him out of context. So this is why we have to tackle some things that are coming from this video side.
Yes.
Yeah, your right to record should not include abuse of another person's privacy or trespassing.
Yes.
So that's it. You know, going back to what we were discussing, say something. If you see something, say something. We have to continue saying something.
Yeah.
In fact, it's even better that someone that knows how to defend himself after saying something should be the only person that will say the something. yeah, because there are people that will say something. That's something they cannot defend.
I just remembered something. A guy, you know, maybe in their house. If his brother goes for work and a man used to visit the wife. No.
Okay.
The brother now decided to
the brother's wife.
The guy now decided to alert his
brother.
The brother now went and called police. Yes, to arrest the brother that
the one that told
the one that said the something. The one that said the something. But so you know, sometimes don't go and say if was
something
you
that
cannot
prove. You see, even it happens to children. Maybe your elder sister does something bad in the house. Because you have seen something, when your mommy comes back, you say, mommy, see what this person did or what this person did. The person will, after receiving the punishment, the person will wait for you now. Your mommy will see
yeah. Okay, that's bring us back to what we just said. Now, about saying something. If you check something after the whole
so,
thing.
Anyway, another side to the whole saying something and saying something is not necessarily saying it to the social media. Or just saying it to regular people. I think the game plan, the end game to the see something and say something is to say it to the proper authorities. Because they are the ones who have the training, the facilities to investigate. To verify that thing. Because sometimes you may see something and think it is a particular thing without knowing it is something else entirely different. I told a story about those kids in Fonona Anog one time. If a pouch phone BNS and somewhere, because a snap pouch on 1 year if
I'm not the pouch.
I'm that kind of thing. So when there's a bezer from Enogozi. Babazian Katazemo like in Tribazi chop, and then I found out na Obro de Fench and Noya. At that point, how about going with Onyori? I'm on that kind of thing. Now, assuming let's say no just regular guys now more how to investigate such a situation. Be fair Potalun, Ofunu Akalia, Akoban Keni. I'm on that kind of thing. So it's better. So it's usually better now. It is handed over to the authorities. Where they all the resources to follow it up. But on another side, it's important that the authorities equally do more to make people trust them. Because I don't think that the authorities are doing enough to convince people. Make people
that they can be trusted.
Exactly. And a lot of people are how to go about one or two things. So they need to first of all end the people's trust as well as educate the people on how to go about things. To make sure no a problem in the process.
Yeah, we'll go for a short break, and if we return, we'll continue with our topic. If you see something,
Say something.
Every voice has a story. Every heart has a home. In the circle we gather. You're never alone. Real life, real truth. This is Girl Talk on ABS TV.
All right, welcome back from this very short break. Ihe Na-eme N'ime Ogbe bụ afọ program anyị and the knife no YouTube clock. So, and today we are to discuss if you see something, say something. Because, yeah, if you see something, say something now has kind of, since the campaign, and where some changes, and social media, likes of Facebook, and you go like to expose a lot of things, and people are now becoming more careful.
Yeah.
So I think it's it's good we promote it more so that, and we give the people the we are the power. No, my master talk yeah, well the power because because the power that now how you do we put something now. Although you reflect now Facebook but another thing right of someone else like. Those people, even it's an annual something.
Yeah, people that can chest the implications of saying something. There are people that
should there even be an implication at all?
Yeah, there used to be. Sometimes, don't you know? Haven't you heard of false alarm or so?
Yes.
Like even overseas, when you call police for nothing.
Yes.
You have to.
You
have to maybe.
But cannot always stop resources.
Yeah, it was misleading. You wanted to mislead
them. Yes.
Yeah.
You wasted their resources because to respond to those things, effect or cost.
So those people, before you say that something, at least do your own primary investigation.
Due diligence. Yeah.
Yeah, and be sure that what you are saying is actually what it is. So that you don't just go and call in people that will spend, and at the end of the whole thing, it will be a false alarm.
Yes.
So that's it. That's what I think on that.
It's very important to see and say, but another side to know the necessary things to say. Or just anything.
Yeah.
Like, let's say, if Madonna try to destroy public property, you say something. You need the report to say again. Medical, na fokwam ka onye di otu a ma efe di otu a bia kene nukunu nene
efukwa onye awala also see ebe a pon. Oh, that's where your camera comes in now.
Saying something.
Yeah. No, from that point, from that point you can now use your camera.
And there is also another side. You can actually say that something to the person doing the wrong thing.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see someone doing the wrong thing. I've seen all these people that stop vehicles.
Yes.
I don't know whether Atma also that used to stop.
Yeah.
I've seen them using opposing one way.
Yes.
Like that very thing that they are catching people for doing, they were doing that.
Atma.
They were doing that, opposing one way,
Yeah.
using shuttle bus. That should be Atma.
Yeah.
So, and I blocked them. Why are you doing that? They say, oh, guy. I tried to say something, but I checked the number of guys there. I decided to see.
This is why your camera now you use your if had it been you used your camera,
my
it would have been
camera.
a different thing.
Yeah.
Because
No,
they
no,
have
no,
this WhatsApp
yeah,
line where you can report.
Report
Probably
such
their organ
stuff.
may not know they are doing what, you know.
Yeah, so but
yeah,
now,
but not at that point now. You can now use your camera.
Yeah.
Ama
You
me-
were there's their camera and as well phone.
I said that's why I said I checked the number of guys in the vehicle,
vehicle.
and I decided to tow the safe path.
Yes.
So these are things that we have to consider
Yeah.
before you do anything. Even in your saying something, know the best way to say that something, and know when it will be safe for you to
Yes.
say that something. There are things that you will see you wouldn't need to say the something there.
Yes.
You have to live to a safe place before you say something.
Mana eziokwu.
Yeah. That's being street smart.
Yeah.
But there's this thing in Onitsha.
Yeah.
There's this thing called Osini.
Yes.
Osini. Onini.
Yeah, they-
If I never found you, when people are accused of being Muslim and at the end of the day.
So people like that, these are the whistleblowers.
Yes.
Yeah, they will just call them in Onitsha. They call them Osuimi, Onyimi.
Yes.
So now the guy na Majimi. Something like that.
And then that even look with me.
Yes, and once they call you Onyimi, just know that you are not safe in that area.
Just know.
No, but seriously, that time I know who see me.
But then when you see me, the powerful people are too.
Yeah.
Yes, and when you see me, I go powerful. You know, now
Yeah,
too.
yeah. Hey, where you see me? Yeah, just like Judas did to Jesus. That kind of thing. So, some people, even when they cannot harm that person, some of them will harm the person's relative.
Yeah.
They will look for a weaker
Yeah, wait.
person that is related to that person and harm that
The
person.
person, yes.
So, in whistleblowing, in seeing something and saying something, you still have to apply caution.
Do you know that I think we need to change this narrative that a whistleblower is a bad person. Even though this is what is being sold to the community.
But you know, sometimes even the government, even the government cannot guarantee your safety. Yeah, they will tell you nothing will happen, nobody will hear. Even within the government, you will not know that there are Oswinis for those people outside.
Yes, yeah.
So now you want to
Raise to power to every
Yes, you will know you are Oswini, and somebody will return you
Oswini. Give me back.
And the people that the whistle you blew will attract danger
to you, yeah.
to the person.
So you but will bring safety to the community.
Yeah, any
because
safety measures are necessary.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but we can agree to something, without people participating, without people saying something, nobody man work.
yeah.
I'm on that. Or by we participating in the government,
Yeah.
if I major work, I'm on that like
Because there won't be caution even from the government. Or if you did not point out things, was there something criticism?
Constructive
Criticism, yes.
Yeah.
It's all the same thing.
Yeah.
Stuff like
so
that.
it's important we say something, or by participating.
Yeah, so on this program, have we said enough about what has happened within the week? All the things that it's just a news-filled week,
Hey, no, the week was so
full of so many
so-
both terrible and good ones.
I
good,
saw
the bad, the ugly,
I saw the
the-
protest
the
at
terrible.
Head Bridge
on the
that
Head Bridge,
they alleged or they said that a policeman shot
Shot, somebody.
somebody,
Yes.
but they said the person is receiving
Treatment.
and
A couple
fine.
of
I even
people-
have some pictures of the police personnel going to visit the victim. And
Yes.
but I think there is a total calm there.
that very side now, but everyone now the authorities need to do more to convince people.
Yeah,
Okay, like that kind of situation now. We expect to see the police now do their investigation and find out exactly what happened there.
what
And sure,
triggered.
like, we need to see justice
Hey, man,
done
eh,
to whoever.
my
But
master.
sometimes I ask a question. is there anything like rule of engagement in the police force? I wonder.
There should be.
So should
They
you
are no,
pull
no,
your finger
they
when you
are-
so wish?
You know, there is procedure.
Kiana, but they are
police
officers that
act,
enlighten people. Because mafia, they are.
Police Act.
Where this officer that explain things to people.
Yeah,
Okay,
people-
PRO,
PPRO,
yes.
So and we're now so through the PPRO office they can relate to the people. And Imogona, these things who that police is your friend and they are trying to tell people you can record a policeman, do this, do that to a policeman, stuff like that. You have some certain rights. And people are now having courage to challenge police.
Yeah, they are
and
even
forgetting that
humiliating some
police,
officers.
yes. Well,
Yeah.
there's this video I saw. The guy was videoing the policeman saying all sort of things in a very,
No,
He
he
was
was
only-
only,
attack
he was
police.
only implicating himself.
Yes.
So should he post that video?
He posted
Then
it.
the police should call him. Yeah,
Exactly.
look at where you failed it.
Yes.
Yeah, abuse
so-
of rights.
stuff like that. People should know. I think we need to enlighten people more about rights and things.
Yeah.
Sometimes conduct self na mama.
Yes.
Already misbehave and
Exactly.
expect the police.
Yeah,
When
Not
you are
to-
police
to just condone
to
you.
just condone you. Whatever
Exactly.
you're
Forgetting the police are
mad, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes when we keyware and things, but being professional in everything,
Yeah,
Amakali.
you have-
No, professionalism them, but it's important now and with more public awareness and education on that very aspect, and that is why I kept on hammering on the institutions so they involved. The police, you have to convince people and you have to
Yeah,
teach people
win
as
back
well.
trust,
Yes,
too.
you need to win people's trust back. And you need to teach
Master,
them how to.
yes.
You need to teach them how to go about enforcing their rights, more than something. And then with these kind of things, we like in Kanwame now, we want to see them investigate the police officer as well.
Do you know,
We want to see the whole
I
story.
had an encounter with, is this Spark or that should be SAS?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Spark, anti-cult,
Yeah. Yeah, I had an encounter. So they pulled me over somewhere and I gave somebody a lift. So they said, okay, that they want to search this person. I said, okay, I engaged my camera. Bam, let me see what's happening. The officer said, why are you recording me? I said, don't you trust him? I said, I only gave him a lift. I don't know him.
Yes.
So search him. So I'm not part of this. So the officer said, are you serious? I said, yeah, I only gave. He asked the person said, yes. So he searched me. He searched the person. At a point, he said, you can go.
Yes.
Yeah, because at that point, I got worried.
Yes.
Actually, I didn't search this person before giving him.
Yes. Yes.
So what if the person was having some? That's why sometimes when you are stopping some people, like you,
They will not,
they will not.
Yes.
Yeah, because
they
they
don't
don't
wanna
know
get
you
into
and they don't have all the luxury of time to start checking what
you have with you.
So that's it.
So seriously, and a lot of things happen. Okay, if you're like on where that other video on a trend on Instagram of somebody's no go ninore. Look at that knee, and then all of a sudden of a male reproductive organ inside
Of what animal?
No, that is what we don't know.
Yeah, I saw that too. I
Yes,
saw the video too.
it looked gross.
Like, the thing was, he was dangling it like
Yeah. So and the young man
And
was,
then we're story about this already.
this. Or, yeah, and the kind of meat they serve people.
so it looked gross because on your general public place will be expecting a cow meat.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden a reproductive organ, a male reproductive organ. Now we're not sure exactly
That
for
looks like that of human. Right?
we're not sure but I think in this kind of situation the police shouldn't overlook such kind of things.
That kind of person should be called to
Exactly.
to take the police to where
he bought that
Yes,
thing because
exactly.
if
Then investigate
it gets to the root of it and know
Yeah.
exactly what that thing because it gave me creeps so hard.
So what of the Osun, is the Osun State election? Which state did their...
Yes,
Osun
Osun
State.
State.
it happened over the week and
Yes.
it was after our previous week program.
Yes, yes.
So, and the video actually said something.
Eh.
I heard when he was calling on Trump and so many other to put eyes in Osun State affairs.
Trump Afro US, now you just monitor.
Nigeria as a whole,
know.
Osun. But these are things that people do. That's just like saying something.
Yes.
These are things that people do to call on international body attention.
Yes.
So definitely he's an international figure.
Yes.
So calling such attention can as well ignite something.
Yes.
Or maybe should I
At
say
least put pressure to ensure transparency.
on the people,
Yes,
the people that would have done something wrong. So that I saw that over the weekend, and I think the result is out. Yeah, the uncle, Adeleke again.
Yeah.
So even Shawore said something about
The dancing governor.
So all these things happened within the week, and
a very jolly good fellow.
yeah,
Yes.
I'll still say congratulations to the Adeleke family on their
Victory,
victory.
yes.
Whatever.
Yeah.
All right, we've come to the end of our program today. If Ihe Na-eme N'ime Ogbe, I will go and get you to clock each time I want to for I know for my master for temple for BFS man who put there, So topic guy today were below. If you see something, say something. Actually, we all agreed that seeing something and saying something has done more good than the harm. So for all of us to be safe and for our society to be in good shape, we must.
We need to say
We
something.
need to say something. Come on, Ikuchazia, sing your verse.
Say something within the
Ikuchazia, sing your verse. Must something equal, no?
Something
Stuff
within
like
the
that.
provisions of the law.
And also say something where you feel safe.
Exactly.
To actually do this.
Exactly. And say something within safety, yes.
All right, follow us in all our social media handle, ABS Radio TV. We are everywhere. Go to the comment section, put your own FHA. You understand? All right, thank you. See you next week. Same station, same time. Darling.